Just flowing from discussion, we had a chat a couple of weeks ago, I believe, and you guys mentioned an educational project that you guys are working on.
Yeah, so
Trying to expand on that.
yeah, so we're probably in the next, I don't know, a couple of weeks, we're going to be launching the Promatix School of Viscraft and Wizardry, sort of little play on the whole Harry Potter scene, but a little play. We're not copying them.
It's an Easter egg.
Yeah, we want to be data wizards really. That's our aim. Seen as data wizards. We want to be able to share ways of doing things with tools like Tableau, and be able to create some beautiful things, beautiful visualizations of the data really easy and quickly. So we're going to be creating a series of different videos and blog posts and instructional guides as to how to create all these different visualizations to empower users out there in the world who want to learn these things, because they're not always the easiest type of charts to do, like your funnel plots. When you approach that in Tableau, it's not always apparent. It's not one of the
intuitive.
It's not intuitive to create that sort of a chart. There's a lot of charts that are like there's a whole show me section in Tableau where at the click of a button you can create a line chart, a bar chart, a map, a box plot, the box bubble charts and stuff like that. But there's more advanced things that you want to do sometimes, like bump charts, like Sankey charts that are really cool and interesting. But it's a little bit more involved, and we want to give those step-by-step how-to guides to everyone to be able to create more beautiful visualizations. So yeah, it's going to be a series of posts every week on our blog, and really showing how to create all of these different types of.
I think a little bit was we were a little bit, I wouldn't say inspired, but we felt a bit empowered when we were doing the Data Foundry 101 sessions where we were training people on how to use Tableau. You could see people from having never downloaded the software, never even opened it, to being able to build their own charts. And they really got something out of it, and they were asking really good, sensible questions. I think where we've gone with that is that we feel that we'd like to help more people. Yes, we deliver Tableau training, and we get paid for doing that, but there are hints and tips and tricks that we are happy, we want to share widely and freely. There's a lot of them. They're already available within the Tableau community, but it's whether they've been pulled together into one central single resource.
Almost formalised into almost like a training program.
Yes.
Type of delivery that.
So I'd say So the work that Anoop's doing at the moment, it starts at the absolute very basics, the stuff we're doing in the Tableau 101 sessions within the Data Foundry sessions, but that we'll get to the end of that in not too long. It doesn't take that long to get to the end of what we can do in a 1 or 2 hour session. But the videos will be a little bit longer. There'll be more detail, so people can go back and get the real nuances of what we're saying. But actually, where we're going with this is we're going to go. If you've ever done the formal training with Tableau, and you've done the foundations and the advanced, this series is going to carry on beyond that and say, well, right, now you can build all the basic stuff. Now, if you want to build some different things, you want to build waterfall charts, you want to build funnel plots, you want to use a Sankey, then here's how you do it. And this is where.
And the whole content is going to be delivered through PromatixBI.com. So
we're recording videos at the moment. They're all going to go onto a video platform, so we can not restrict it, but just track that people are who's watching it.
Much easier.
It's also a little bit about we are going to ask people to log in, so that it means that we can get to the point where in the future maybe we can add a little bit of gamification to it and say they get a number of points for each video they've watched.
So a kind of academy approach.
We'll put some exercises, some Tableau workbooks for them to download and say do this exercise, upload it back to here. If they get the right answer, then they get some more points. That sort of thing. Then maybe if they then watch every video and every exercise, then maybe you can start calling people data visits or something like that.
That would be really nice, actually. But are you guys planning to monetize this content, or is it purely for for educational purposes?
I'd like to say it's purely altruistic,
Yeah.
but really for us it's also a lead generation. You know, it means we'll start to gather a list of people that know about Tableau, that are using Tableau, that want to learn Tableau, and we can say, well, okay, you've watched the basic stuff. Did you want to come in and do some formal classroom training? Because we do that via GA.